We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India.
Hello, good morning friends. My name is Professor Darshan Patel. Today we will study most important topic in the automobile chassis and body engineering is car manufacturing process. Generally you know very well by which process generally used for the car manufacturing process. In nowadays there are so many automobile industry can be developed in the latest last 5 to 6 years, in which we will see some backgrounds of the automobile product life cycle. First is the new vehicle program, concept, detailed design, development of the tools, manufacturing, preparation and phasing. This is the 2-3 years target about if any automobile company can produce the automobile car. Behind producing the car, they can develop this test of the 2 to 3 years target about this body, just like as a concept situation, go ahead about detailed design, specification, development, tooling, manufacturing commission, production launch, ramp up and mass production, fit lift, product retirement and recycling. This part is most useful for the any company can launch the car in the market. Automobile car manufacturing process. This automobile factory generally are typically into 3 main parts: body shop, paint shop and the general assembly. There are some variation depending upon the types of the vehicle you producing, and this material is made out of the volume of the vehicle being produced. This is the car components. The real life the example from the Reynolds body. This is the post contribution. This is interior. This is the extension. This is a complementary monture. Lace 7 Jones the architecture vehicles, exterior event, south case and exterior lateral. This example is for the Renault car. Key manufacturing process to the higher level. This is the most important thing for the car manufacturing process. First is the sheet metal process, after the closed sub assembly, then the body in the white assembly, then the paint shop, body shop, final shop, during which interior parts production, dashboard assembly, powertrain production, and after that power train chassis filtering and inspection and testing. This is the key features to steps to follow to manufacturing the car. Stamping. Do you know here in the stamping by which way the car body can be made of? The body panel, doors, hoods, floor panels and other parts are stamped out of the sheet metal, and fully automatic transfer press cut out blank from the metal sheet, and the laser welding consists in the assembly metal sheet, and each having the different thickness of the strength to one joint, and die are used for the heavy duty stamping as well as the machine to stamp metal, trim access, bandages. Once production volume is completed, then the die is set to change to switch over the next batch, in which one die use it is not used for all times. If one die used for the particular these types of the production of the car, then it is not used for the second purpose also. We have to change the die. Next is the various stamping operation for the any material. Example, if we have to select the car body, then we have to stamping operation. In this stamping process, there are the different 5 different stamping operation: blanking, trimming, stamping, piercing and flanching. Blanking operation is generally used for the cutting pierce of the sheet metal into the piece. Trimming, which is generally used for the cutting excess material of the parts. Stamping, it is generally used for stretching the flake blank into the product shape. Piercing, generally it is used for the punching necessary hole slot in the part. In the flanching, it is used for the folding the edge of the parts to make it functional, hide rough edge and provide the surface for the fastening. This is the 100 of the unique sheet metal from the car body. This is the car body. If we have to assemble if there are different parts, and these different parts can be assembled to the and made the one car body. This car body is converted into 100 of the unique sheet metals. Body shop and assembly line. This is this is the body shop in the assembly line. The hundred of the parts from the press shop are assembled are the welding from the car body to the higher authority press, and the continuous line dividing the preparation in sub assembly line and the main assembly line for the body. About 80 to 90 stations with around 700 robots handling 2500 to 5000 weld points in the sims can be used for the maintaining the car body assembly line. This is the car body assembly process animated. Material. Main material can be used for the car body construction: steel, aluminum, magnesium, fiber reinforced composite, carbon fiber epoxy composite, and glass fiber composite. This material is mostly used for the car body construction. You have to mention, keep in mind, this is the most important information regarding the car body construction material. This is a painting shop. Painting shop in which completely automatic stage which consists of the many processes. The vehicle body is attached in the conveyor transformed from the one operation to another operation. The body is first cleaned into the HU pure surface, and the several layer of the anti-corrosion primer and the paint are applied using the bath and paint robot. And the body enters the dryer before a layer of the transparent paint is applied. Final dry off the body before light tunnel inspection and the wax. This is the painting shop process steps we have to follow. Car painting process. In the car painting process, generally there are the following process steps we have to follow: surface preparation, surface cleaning, sand existing and painting surface, sand replacement part, masking, priming flexible and the rigid plastic surface, priming metal parts, and spraying the colors. This is the painting process of the car, you know very well. Powertrain in the chassis. Engine, gearbox, and the chassis systems are produced while car body is going through the other process. Engine are built up from the cylinder head, camshaft, crankshaft, and other sub-assembly, and then they built up until they fitted out with the peripheral items like the exhaust manifold, inlet manifold, flywheel, injection pump. Chassis systems completely with the brake, suspension, and the transmission systems are put together as well. Once powertrain and chassis can be completed, then the powertrain chassis systems are transferred to the vehicle assembly line and then fitting. This is the final assembly body. The continuous line of the more than the 100 stations handling a large number of the variant using the JIT method just in time. Lower automation level compared to other department, 90% human conducting 4000 operation can be possible to done, involving fitting out the finished car body with seat, wheel, engine, dashboard, etc. Some parts come from the nearly supply plants while other travel from the afar. The climax of the assembly process is a welding, the climax assembly process is the welding of the engine and drive in the body. As the wheel are mounted, the vehicles rolls into the testing area, either under is the power on the bale. When the car painting process and the assembly can be done, and then they have to rewelding one time first. This is the final assembly process for the car. Next is the automotive challenge and the need for the quality inspection and the process control. Sheet metal parts are mostly flimsy free from the object. A car is assembled of the thousands of the parts which have the dimension requirement. Deviation and the deformation stack up the quickly and cause the assembly problems. Production dimensional stability is the hard to maintain with variation production, material, supplier ongoing and changes. Shortening launch and the time for production takes an increasing priority for the successful new model launch. Inline dimensional control and the automatic quality solution provide with both the critical 3D data collection and the analysis of the tool, which is addressed the issue throughout the automatic life cycle. Thank you. Now in the next lecture, we will see about types of the accident can be occurred in the automobile chassis and body engineering.